Hello, once again, welcome to my channel, Imabed TV. Today we're going to fix a blender, and as you can see, this blender has a defect. So we'll try to work one or two things on it. Yeah, this is Hanabishi. Let us know in the comment section below if you have any other brand of blender, whether popular or known. Let's see. Basically it's the same thing, yeah, but different designs. Okay. Alright. The plug is broken, so we will do something today. We're gonna take some portions of this subwoofer right here. We'll take some portion of the subwoofer right here, and we will fix it on the blender. It's almost the same description. Almost the same description. Yeah, we fix it on the blender. Alright, so let's get right to it. Trying to focus it. Try to focus it. Okay, so you see the writings here. Yes. Exactly. Makes it universal. Because it's a similar writings on that of the subwoofer. So we'll cut it from somewhere this area. Let's cut it. Well, I call this the wire stripper. I call this the wire stripper. Make enough cuts so we can, on this one with the other part of the socket. Let's get it. Now this one is 2 wires only, the blue and the brown. Blue or the brown. Okay, let's prepare it. Let's get it. moment of truth. Uh-oh. Let's turn it. Oh my God, there's no record. Okay. Now let's put the top to it. There you go. Ha, it's working. Alright, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share in the comment section. See you on another one. Bye.